Deep River. All right, so here I am at my latest listing in 8 Deep River, and then it is at one of the best locations in Richmond Hill. We have the best schools, St. Theresa Catholic School, as well as the Richmond Hill Public School. Lots of great upgrades in this home as well, featuring 3 bedrooms on the upstairs, 1 in the 2nd floor, and another bedroom in the basement. Basement is finished as well with another bath. So come and check it out. All right, so when you walk in, this is the ground floor. As you can see, there's lots of open space over here. And over here, you have a powder room. Okay, and then this leads to the garage. It's a 1-car garage. Okay, you have direct access to come into the home, which is great. And this is to the backyard. Not super big, but still, I mean, you have some outdoor space, which is fantastic. Very nice laundry room over there. Very upgraded laundry machines. So let's come and look at the 2nd floor, which is really the main living area. So when you walk up, you'll be greeted by this wonderful, wonderful kitchen. Look at the size of this amazing island. Lots of detached homes, they don't even have an island this big. And like granite countertop, very upgraded. You can actually put some high chairs here. You can have breakfast here, hang out here, having a drink. As you can see, stainless steel appliances. One thing you notice is you have a lot of countertop space all around here, lots of nice cabinet. Another thing is a lot these days, like they like to do open concept, but this one you actually have a separate living room area, and then you can set up your dining area here and then have a living room area over there. And also, if you check out over here, it actually has a bedroom. You can use it as a bedroom or you can use it as a den, as an office. Definitely it's up to you, whatever you want to do. And the best thing is, even though this is on the 2nd floor, you have access to a nice balcony, right? So if you want, you can put up a few chairs and enjoy some outdoor space. All right, so let's go check out the upstairs as well. There are actually 3 bedrooms on the 3rd floor. So let's check out the primary bedroom. As you can see, it is very, very spacious over here. And this is the ensuite bath. And it has a very nice walk-in closet over there as well. There's another full bath, and then 2 more spacious bedrooms. They all have walk-in closets over here as well. Yeah, lots of living space. And on top of that, you still have a finished basement. Let's go check it out now. Actually, even the basement has a relatively pretty high ceiling. You can use it as a theater room, or you can use it as another bedroom. And you have actually a full bath in the basement too. A bathtub, 4-piece bath. So it's very convenient. Right, so thank you for joining me on this tour of this beautiful property at 8 Deep River Lane in Richmond Hill. Definitely give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and then leave us a comment, see what you think of the house. And if you would like to find out more about this home, reach out using the information in the description, and definitely we will be able to help you. All right, so don't miss our upcoming listings. Thank you.